What's going on, everybody? It's Nico Moreno here, and in this video, we're going to cover how to link up your ManyChat and Stripe accounts so that you can integrate ManyChat to Stripe and accept payments, accept credit cards right through your bot. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set that up. It's very, very quick, and then I'm going to show you how to actually utilize this feature inside ManyChat so that you can make sales and accept payments right through the ManyChat app. Okay, so people do not have to go to an external funnel page or external order page or anything like that. They literally can put their credit card details inside of the chatbot. It's super cool, and you can get payments right away. All right, so here we are. I'm going to show you very quickly. It's only about one step to actually link up your ManyChat and Stripe account. So what you need to do here is head on over to the settings little tool gear right here. So click settings. And then what you're going to want to do is click payments, okay? So once you're there, before your account's already set up, or before your account is linked, there'll be a button here, and there'll be like a little pop-up, and it'll say like, do you really want to link your Stripe account to ManyChat, blah, 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 okay? So all you do is you say, yes, I do want to link it, and then it'll automatically link. And then you're done. So it's super easy to actually set up the integration. It automatically will just like authenticate as soon as you tell it to, and then you're good. So then just reload, and you can see a couple different options down here. Select whichever ones of these you want. So I would definitely send your users a receipt if they make a purchase with you. So always good practice to do that. So check this box, and then you can also, this is just for you. So if you want to get notified either via Messenger or email anytime you get an order through ManyChat, then you can check these boxes. I set both. So I would go ahead and do that as well. And that's it. So once you're done with that, then you can start using this feature right away. And it's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did here. So I created a flow. By the way, if you would like this flow, you can grab it down below. I'll make it available to you guys in just a little bit. Okay. So what you need to do is just create any flow, or you can also start off with the growth tool, but I like to build my stuff in Flow Builder first. So what I did is I said, hey, what's a cool thing that people want to buy quickly? I wanted to test like lower ticket items. So like $497, $249, or like below that. And I know in my mind, just from experience, like templates sell really well, templates of anything. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to do like funnel templates and chatbot templates, and I'm going to sell them inside my ManyChat and see what happens, right? So I just ran this like less than 24 hours ago, just sent out a little message, and I got, one person ended up buying the 497 package. So let me just show you how to quickly set this up. It's extremely easy. So you go into Edit Flow. Now we're here in Flow Builder. And I'll show you guys what I did because it's already worked. And yeah, if you guys want this whole entire template, then I will also, again, I'll make this available to you below the video. And let's go actually into the purchase button. So this is the cool new feature that once you link up your Stripe account, you will have this feature available. So you'll be able to add a purchase button, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this only works, before we get into that, this only works with certain types of like blocks. Okay, so it'll work with gallery and I believe card and possibly image. Let's see. So it doesn't work with just text. Okay, so let me show you. You'll see right here, if you click try to add button and you try to sell something like with just text, you'll see the, where'd it go? The buy button is grayed out. So it says to add a buy button, you have to select the proper element. Okay, so it lists right here what it works with. Card, gallery, list, image, or video. Okay, and that makes sense because people kind of want to see a picture of what they're actually going to be buying, right? So you can't do it with just like a text element. You have to use one of those specific content blocks. Cool, so let's get rid of that. Zoom back out, and I'll show you what I did here, and it's already worked. So the first message that I had was, hey, first name, glad you want to participate in our special little sale. Click below to choose the templates you want to order and complete your checkout, all right here in Messenger. So scroll right to see all three options. And I decided to sell my 2 Comma Club funnel template, 7-figure sales chatbot template, or get like both of these plus other stuff in like this full bundle. So let me show you guys how I set this up. Okay, so what I did here was the element that I selected was gallery. So this is just one gallery, but you'll see like they can scroll and they'll get like different options over here. So here's if you're adding a new card to the gallery. All you do is you upload an image. So this is kind of what it looks like. You upload an image, you upload the title, which is this, you upload a subtitle, and then you add the button, which is going to be the buy button. Okay, and I'll show you what it looks like to set this up too. So you can just say purchase for, you can say whatever you want here, but you can say buy for whatever, $5.97. And then you just set the price here. And then you say what the name is. And then, yeah, you can ask for additional data. Like if you need to ship them something, you can enable that. And also contact phone number if you need that. I left those both off because I didn't need that for this. And then what you can do is you can also have, this is really cool. So you can have certain things happen only after the successful purchase. Okay, so only after the card goes through and you've received the payment. So this is how you can sort of do like fulfillment or tagging or starting another flow or anything like that, sending an email, but only to people who actually buy. Okay, so this is super cool and super powerful, and you can leverage this later on with additional actions and additional automations. And you can also fulfill, like send them the fulfillment link for your product as well. And so that you make sure only the people who buy it get it. All right, so I'll show you how I did that with this right now. So let me delete this one because we're not actually going to use that. Cool, so let me show you guys what I did here. And then I'll show you how I got what it looked like when someone bought it, and then I can show you like a preview of what it looks like. So right here, again, what I did was I set this $249. So here's all I did. I just created that button element, said purchase for $249, set the price here, gave it a name, and then when I said when purchase is successful, I said send this message. So all I did was I said, yes, congrats, the purchase is successful. So I wrote this out, okay? And I also said post-purchase update because that makes perfect sense here. And then download now, like this is the link to the 2 Comma Club like funnel template. So this is like a clone of my 2 Comma Club funnel. And they can download it here in Messenger. And I also gave them the option, I kind of wanted them to instantly have fulfillment, like instantly get access to their purchase, but also have it sent to their email because, you know, if they lose it in Messenger or something, like it's just always good to get them their purchases over to their email as well. So what I said is this share funnel download and confirmation will also be sent to your email address too. Please type your email address below where you want us to send it. And for this one right here, as you can see, this is a user input block, okay? So I set it to be user input and they have to reply with their email, okay? So that's what I did there. And then after we get a reply, I said, awesome, the confirmation email is sent. And I'll show you how I set up the confirmation email to send in just a second. But what I also did is I said, hey, if you have trouble receiving the download, contact us at this email address and we'll get it sorted. And I also typed, super important, be sure to check your spam folder because sometimes these automated confirmation emails land in spam box, which is true. So the person who purchased this said, hey, like I didn't get the email. They replied back in the bot and they were like, hey, I didn't get the email. Can I get the email? And I was like, yeah, of course, let me see what happened. And so I tested it for myself and I got it, but it went to my spam. What I did here was how to send my automated email. Was I clicked continue to another step after all of this. And then I said send email as the next step, okay? So what I did right here was I made the subject, I just said you're Nico Moreno purchase because they bought from my bot. And then I said order download. And I said, hey, first and congratulations on purchase of Nico's 2 Comma Club funnel, share funnel. And I put the same image because I wanted it to be congruent and I wanted them to know exactly. Like I use the same image here in the confirmation email. Same with this one, same with this one. And then I just did the exact same thing with these two. So for this one, I said get the 7-figure chatbot clone, added the image, added this title, set another purchase button for $249. This is a bundle, so they get a whole bunch of things. They get like 5 different things. They get both of these plus 3 additional templates. And so I set this for $497 so that it's a deal and they still get, like, they get all of these 3 for free. But what I did there differently is instead of having them, so here, the only thing that I did differently was in the fulfillment, I said, because there's 5 different items, we're gonna send you a confirmation email. So as you can see here, I just copied all the links and pasted it in the email. I'm not gonna show the email because it has the links, of course. So if you want to get all the templates, then you can check this out and you can purchase those as well. But that was the only thing that I did differently. And yeah, again, I sent this out already. Oh, let me show you kind of what it looks like to preview it. Okay, so we're gonna say publish and then preview. So I'll show you guys what this looks like as a user. Super slow right now, wow. Okay, so here you go. That's what it looks like. And so if we click the purchase button, you see it just pops up right here. And well, it says preview mode because I clicked from a preview, but all you do is you just enter your credit card info here and you literally just click pay. So it's super easy. And this is a great experience for the user. Super clean, super fast, and then automatically it'll deliver the product right in here. And it shows you the picture and everything. And on mobile, this looks great too. Same thing. It kind of like fits the size of their screen, kind of like this. And super clean, fast, easy checkout experience. Cool. So that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, if you have a Stripe account, it takes about 10 seconds to link it up, and then you can do some really cool, amazing things here with accepting payments right through your ManyChat. All right. Thanks, guys. It's been Nico Moreno, and I hope this video helps you.